I know it has been forever since I've sat down and made a video, so boom, a new video. And in this video, guys, I'm going to show you all how I laid my wig. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I'm pretty bare. I don't even have on my wig cap as yet. Oh, my face is also there. Oh my goodness. I have my mirror down here, and I'm going to start off by just covering all this up.
And because it's just an everyday look, I'm not going to go ahead and slit down my edges. Just going to brush it, but also importantly, I put on some olive oil on my hair before any application of my wig, just ensure that my scalp and my hair is fully moisturized.
Okay, and you will only need to do what I'm about to do for your first install or whatever. I washed my wig recently, so as you can see, there's no color. So what I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Infallible Pro in. Okay, and after going in with another coat, it looks more like this. I think this is good enough for me. Yeah, this is good enough. So I'm also just gonna go ahead and set my closure with some powder. I'm using some powder that I don't even use anymore. It's something from, I think it's like Mary Kay's Deep Medium or something like that. I have. If you have a really tiny head, or if your wig cap doesn't fit you snug, you can go ahead and add in an elastic band. I can probably do that in another video, but this video, or at least for this wig, I didn't need to. I was able to, like, they come with like the straps on the inside, and I'm able to get it to secure to my head tight enough, pretty tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and just plop this on my head now. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now, I'm just gonna go ahead and ensure that the combs are tucked in properly, so that way nothing flies when the wind starts blowing. And what I like about this wig as well, there are combs on the side, so that's pretty amazing. Ensure that it stays down. Okay, before I go any further, I always wonder if I'm the only one who notices that this half of this hair has a higher bump than the other. Okay guys, so at this point in time, I'll just check to ensure that I didn't bring down the wig too far or anything at all like that. And I do this by just moving my brow like this, just to make sure that I have movement, you know. Pin my hair out my face, just so I can see what I'm working with. And guys, if it wasn't obvious before, I'm stating it now. I am wearing a closure, not a frontal. Because I think it's obvious, but... You know how some people really love baby hair and other people, and some people just don't care for it? Yeah, I'm one of those people that really care for it. The piece is in the front because, you know, I didn't use it all. Yeah. And don't worry if you feel like you're using too much edge control, because a little bit of water and they go bye-bye. At this point in time, I would usually go ahead and go get my makeup done and then finish off my hair. So, okay guys, I know that my face is done and I'm looking like somebody's child again. This has been sitting long enough and I can take it off. I'm going to go in with my contour brush and just brush along my hairline. Okay. Okay, as you guys can see, this is what my hair looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and brighten up the part. So I'm gonna go ahead and if you have sprays, you can use sprays. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use the freezing spray. Emergency, my freezing spray is not working.
So what I'm gonna have to do is just use some mousse because I got really frustrated, yeah? So, oh gosh. So right here at the front, I'm gonna just put a little bit, just put the excess on the back. That's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Shit. I've never actually done it with a mousse before, if I'm being honest. Okay. This is really just to give the hair some lift and like, you know, some.
And if you guys want to see an in-depth video on how to curl your hair, you can check out I have a link to that below, as well as it's in the card above right now, so you guys can check out that video next if you want something more in-depth. And guys, just a quick tip, if you want to tame the flyaways that happen right here, I know they don't show on camera, but I can see them in person. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna use my edge control, put it on my toothbrush, and just slick them down. And the only part you have to do every day is clearly just fix the front to ensure that the baby hairs are laid the way you want to. Once you've done the initial get up and fix up the hair, you don't have to do that. And also guys, you can use flexi rods on your wig. What I would say is just put the flexi rods in when you have the wig on, so you know exactly how you want it to fit you. Or if you have a wig head, you can go ahead and do it on your wig head. So in the morning, just plop it on, take it off, and baba boom, just fix your edges and you're good to go. There you have it guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, it's your girl Kerizii. Bye guys.